The caramel gets too hot, take the pan off, yes?
Yes, chef.
You're more than capable of doing this, yeah?
Yes,
Don't
chef.
panic, yeah?
Oh, fuck.
Let's go. Move your ass.
Turn it down.
Pan's too hot, Susan.
Shit, have I burnt these, chef?
Fucking hell. Ladies, there's more swearing coming for you four than there is me. Let's go. Pancake's ready, yes?
No.
Why not?
Come in. Because I've messed up.
Right, they're too dark, yeah? Too dark. Too dark, too dark, yes? Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Some are nicely done, some are not done, yes? Get that shit out. That's far too dark. Don't toss them, don't toss them. Be very careful. Run,
Put your
quickly.
rum in.
That's enough.
No, don't.
Turn it round. Come on, please, Sandra. Look, you've got to help yourself now, ladies. No, careful, watch your eyebrows. Fucking hell. Right, ready? There we go. There you go. Out on the tray. Pancakes out, that's it, good. Come on, please.
We're coming, Gordon, we're coming.
Can we dust the pancakes before we put the bananas on, okay?
Chef.
Everything's done beautifully, yet we're just slopping it. No one gives a fuck how they put things on a plate here anymore.
Yes,
Come on,
chef.
Justine, got to wipe the plate, my darling.
I'm coming,
yeah?
I'm coming.
You make all this amazing food, and then we just balls it up by dirting everywhere.
Just check these, chef.
Yep. Are you happy with them?
Yes,
Yes, chef.
Service, please. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for cleaning the plate. Good. A little bit of sauce.
Ice cream, Susan.
Now break away and do the ice cream. Good girl. Good. Now look at the difference. This table here, look.
Yes, chef.
Fantastic. And you're working as a team, and the bananas aren't mush. Good. That looks fantastic. Really good.
Well done, girls.
And away. Go. Fuck off. Go. Well done. Last table.
Oh,
Well done.
yes.
Jassie's on.
I really, really enjoyed it. It was a good way to end the meal that we had.
Yeah, it really did tick the box, actually. It's just a nice combination of all the different flavours, and the pancake was really nicely cooked.
Right, ladies, let's go. Results for the desserts, yes?
Yes, chef.
Give that to me, please. Yes, thank you. Okay, working out right now, for this next course, you need to have 27 or more to come back with the possibility of running Claridge's.
Oh.
Yes?
Oh, God.
Please open it. The suspense is
I
killing
can
me.
tell you,
Oh.
48 out of 50. Oh, dear. Total is? So that means you have a total of 126 out of 150,
Yes!
which is fucking good news, yes? Huh? That means more money than sense for the Eton boys, and the Lancashire lasses are in pole position. Well done. Well done, well done, well done. Well done, well done, well done. Well done, well done, well done.
Thank you.